Hey everyone, welcome back to Kawaii Bread, and today I have a haul for you guys. This is going to be a haul of mainly my November videos like Thanksgiving and fall themed stuff and things for my Christmas season videos. So I hope you guys enjoy. I had a lot of fun shopping, I guess. And if you guys want to do any of the crafts with me, then you can kind of see what I got. So the first place that I got some supplies from was the dollar store. I have a Christmas craft that I want to do that involves some of these LED lights. So I picked up two of these. I don't know how well they work. I haven't used any of the dollar store light sets. I keep buying them for myself. I have like all the colors except for white. So now I have the white for the project. And I got two sets just in case the first time I do it doesn't turn out very well. So then I have another one and I don't have to worry about them running out or anything. So those are for our Christmas project. And then I always check out their stickers in their sticker section. And I got some of these shell rub-on transfers. I thought they were really cute. They kind of look like the Little Mermaid stickers from the Sophie and Toffee kit that I got last. So I thought these would look really cute if I used some of those other Little Mermaid ones with this for a piece. And then I picked up these ABCs. I got 2 packs because they don't give you a lot of stickers. There's just that one sheet. So I wanted to make sure I had enough letters if I wanted to write something out. Wasn't much from the dollar store, but I will certainly use them. The next place I went was to Hobby Lobby. I went with my sister. She needed some stuff and I ended up getting a bunch of things for myself. Like I got this detailer brush because it's still October and I'm still working on my dollhouse. So I thought that I might need this for some of the decorating that I'm working on. It was $5.99. I actually think they were half off or 30% off. So most of the stuff in the store when I went on Saturday was on sale. I also got this detailer brush that is kind of bent there. And this one was $6.99. And this is a 10.0 or 10-0. Funny story, the cashier asked me if I wanted to go get another brush because this one was broken. I did not get a new brush. I wanted this one. The other thing I got these pack of gingerbread men. I've been doing some crafts with my niece and nephew. And I did some foam ones for Halloween and I wanted to get something easy for them to do for Christmas time. My nephew is 5 and my niece is like 1.5 maybe. And these already have the stickies on the pieces on the back, so all I have to do is peel them off and she can just place them. The way that I did the Halloween one was I just put glue on the piece and pointed to where it went. So I think that if I pull the sticky off and just kind of point, she can lay them out. It won't look great, but it'll be cute because she did it. I got some of these jingle bells for some of my projects for Christmas time. And I wanted silver, but I couldn't find any silver, so I got red and green. And then all of the rest of the supplies I got were for scrapbooking. I got some washi tape. This is a cute sunflower washi tape. I also got these lines. Well, it came with this. And the Paper Studio right now is half off of all of their supplies. So that wasn't too bad. $5.99 I got it, or $6 I got these 2 for $3, which isn't bad to me. And then I got all of these stickers. Now keep in mind, anything that says the Paper Studio was half off. So let's go through these. A lot of these are going to be Christmas stickers and fall stickers. I got these ornament ones, some stockings. I thought this one was pretty cool. It has all different kinds of sayings, which would look nice in my scrapbook. I couldn't leave these on the shelf. Look, they are Christmas dinosaurs. Tell me you wouldn't buy them too. I got some sunflowers as well. Here are the Thanksgiving ones that I got. They're the same on both sides. I don't know why I have to keep flipping them. I got some more Thanksgiving fall-ish ones. These Christmas snow globes. Some snowflakes. These are pretty big. This Christmas set. It's like a vintage Christmas set. I got these gold foil fall leaves. I also got some gold foil looking autumn ones. You might not be able to see it, but they are really shiny. There we go. And finally, some of these, they also have this like gold outline, and these are just sunflowers, if you couldn't tell. And I honestly thought that I was going to be spending a whole lot at Hobby Lobby. I only spent $39 on all of this because everything was on sale. So it wasn't too bad. I mean, at least I don't think it is. But I needed stickers because since starting journaling, I actually don't have a lot of stickers. And now I'll be in stock. So they'll last until next year probably. And then the final haul that I did was through Amazon. The first thing that I got from Amazon was this set of 12 of washi. I believe it was only $8.99 or $9.99 for all of these. And since I don't have any fall themed washi, I definitely needed it for my scrapbooking, and it'll get put to good use. There's a couple different colors that are fall colors. We got some pumpkins, some trees, some leaves, and gnomes. Couple different flannel patterns, and some sunflowers, a happy Thanksgiving one, and a happy fall, y'all. I can't wait to start working on my junk journaling for you guys, so make sure you subscribe and, wait for those because they'll be coming out. I got a couple sets of fall stickers. This one has different leaves, pumpkins, gourds, wine and mushroom. It also has like pumpkin pie, some sayings as well, like Thanksgiving Day, and turkeys, of course, and sunflowers. Just a whole hodgepodge of different fall and Thanksgiving related stickers. This is still part of the first set. There were 200 stickers that came in it, so there's some more pumpkins and gourds. Pretty much the same thing in this one. More pies, different turkeys, anything you can think of that you might need for like a Thanksgiving spread. I think both stacks are the same, so I'm just going to pull out this one. And they're all autumn and leaves, different types of leaves and trees. That one's so cute. I didn't see that one in the picture. Aw, they're like little fairies. They didn't have those on display in the pictures. All I saw were the different leaves. Maybe some people didn't like them, but I like them. This one says fall. So, yeah. And I'm excited to actually have leaves. This is a little poem for autumn. An acorn. So stay tuned for those. The last thing fall related that I got from Amazon was this like candy or jewelry dish. It was only $5.99 from Amazon. And I thought it was much smaller. I've been playing around with 2-part resin, so I guess I'm gonna try again and make this on my YouTube channel. So I guess stay tuned for that. It's actually pretty big, and I think this will look really cute. Actually, this would be cute as a coaster as well. So maybe I'll make them coasters. I don't know. Then I have 3 things that are Christmas themed that I got from Amazon. The first is this mold. It says Xmas. It was actually an ad that was running on Amazon, and I liked it, so I got it. And it was only $5.99 or $4.99. It was on sale. It's regularly like $8 to $10, I believe. And I got this half off for that day. I also got this big bag of goodie molds. And let's take a look in here. There's a bunch of different ornaments. The first is this stand-up Christmas tree that says, "We wish you a Merry Christmas." I think that this would look really, really cute with like an ombre kind of effect going on. Whole bunch of different ornaments. There is this just bowl ornament. It's like a toy tag or a taggy for like a gift. little bell with a reindeer on it. Could probably make this into a shaker, like a really huge. Actually, nah. The reindeer wouldn't be pretty big, but kind of looks like it. Got a Christmas tree. A bell ornament with a Christmas tree in it. And a snowflake. I have yet to decide if I want to use these with UV or two-part. I think they're too big for UV. The snowflake might be okay for UV, but I think I'm going to just use actual two-part resin for these. The last kit that I got is a bunch of resin earring molds for Christmas. It's literally just full of them. So let's get in here and I'll show you them. It comes with all of the hook earrings, gold and silver ones, and even hoop earrings. This I was not so thrilled about getting because I have tons of these already, but now we get to add them to my ever-growing collection. First we have these dangly snowflake earrings, some snowman earrings, another set of snowman earrings, some Christmas trees, gingerbread men, Christmas trees, stockings, some bells, reindeer, and this one is messed up. Lovely. It's all like melted, so I'll have to use the same one for both of them. And a Santa's hat, or just a snow hat, I guess. These are going to be really big earrings, but I'm excited to actually mess around and play with them and see what I can come up with. Hey guys, it's like a week later. I had to add this to the haul because I had to make an emergency run out to Michael's. I ran out of the double-sided journal tape, so I needed to go get some more, and I ended up with more than what I could bargain for. But don't fret, I only spent $25 because all of the Halloween supplies are 60% off right now at my store. So of course, the first thing I got was the double-sided tape, the adhesive runners. I only had one of them, and it just broke on me in the middle of me filming one of my journals. So I ran out and got that so I can finish my journals here right after I do this haul. And these were $9.99 for the 3-pack, or you could buy them singularly and they were like $3.99. So I figured this was a better, like a better price for me to get. And like I said, all of the Halloween stuff was 60% off, so I picked up these. They are cat canvases. I don't know what I'm going to use them for, but I wanted them, so I got them. And they're regularly $4.99, but today, since they were 60% off, they were $2. They also had some washi on sale. They only had this washi set, this 5-piece Halloween washi set. It's regularly $5.99, but I got it for $2.40 today. The last thing that I got in the Halloween section was this paper. It is regularly $9.99, but I got it for $4 today. And I figured I should stock up for next year's journals. They are double-sided, so I can use these in my, my junk journaling. And I was looking at all kinds of stationery when I was there. I love using stationery paper for my backgrounds. Like this one right here is just stationery paper. It makes it easy because if I ruin it, I can just toss it, but it looks nice in the background of my videos. They had some cute Christmas ones, and I really wanted one with like the Christmas truck because that's like the Karen Christmas staple, I guess. Not that I'm a Karen, I thought it would look cute in my journal. And I wanted it, but it was $19.99, and I only buy the stationery pads when they're on sale, like buy two get one or buy one get two. I don't know, they have it all the time. But anyways, on the way out, I found this little tiny one, and it has the little car in it as well. So, the little truck. And this will probably work better in my journal anyway. There's two different kinds of trucks in there. So I picked that up as well. It's a small haul, but it is things that I didn't necessarily need, but I wanted. Yeah. So if you guys want to see me work with these supplies, make sure you hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. If you want to see me do some more hauls, make sure you hit the like button and leave me a comment down in the comment section on which of these supplies you most likely would use yourself. Thanks again for watching, guys. You have a wonderful day. See ya.